All right, Austin, we're going to rebuild a crossover here. All right, this is the crossover that we're going to rebuild. And the first thing we want to do, of course, is make sure the board's clean on it. I like for it to look good. So use a tub of towel. Squeeze the water out of it like this. That's what I'm doing. So it won't be so wet. We don't want to soak the board. I just want to get that dirt off the top of it. And just wipe the board off. That makes it look presentable, all right? Now, next thing I want to do is you want to set these in place so that it looks nice. These are your caps. This is a 12 microfarad, so that's your base cap. That's going to go to your right on that right side. This is your 8 microfarad. This is your treble upper driver cap. This is for your bass speaker for the upper driver. And so this is going to go to your left. So I'm going to set them up like this so that it'll look like that when I get finished. So the caps will look like that. Now I'm going to use these. I'm going to use 2 of those. And what I want to do is find a good place that would be a good location for me to put them on the board. The whole idea is that these wires are going to connect to these.
Okay.
So I want it to look neat and organized. I want it to look professional. Now, I've already previously, see right here? Set these. And then I take a marker like this, and I draw a little dot right here and a dot right here. Okay? Once I got the dot set, now I know where everything's going to be set. Put these on off. Then use my drill, and I use this size bit. Let me show you the size bit I'm going to use. You're going to use this 1/8 bit. This one. There are 2 of them in this pack, in this box. So the 2 that are the same.
Okay.
Not the little small one. This right here. That's the perfect size. Not that big one. That's too big. That'll make the hole too big. You want to use 1/8. All right. Excuse me. Now, the objective is not to go all the way down through this entire board. So I don't want to make a hole all the way through on this one. On these other ones, other crossovers, yeah, I do. What do? Got my light out?
Switch.
Well, thank you. Okay, so on these other crossovers, like I'll show you, like this kind of crossover, where the board is thin. See how thin that is?
Yeah.
You can drill all the way through it to the other side.
Mm-hmm.
But you see how thick that is?
Yeah.
So because this board is thick, you don't need to drill all the way through it. Just drill halfway through it. And that'll work for this. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright? So halfway is good enough. So halfway is about like this. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So when you can still see two of these, you know you're halfway.
Mm-hmm.
So I can see two of them, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I know I'm halfway. Alright? You don't want to blow that like that, because you blow all that dust all over your place. So what I would do, instead of blowing it like this, let me have a trash can. I got a trash can. Alright? Do this. See?
Yeah.
You want to keep your workspace as clean as possible. So don't blow the dust off of your projects all over the place, because you're less able to control it when you do that. You remove your ability to control the cleanliness of your workspace when you start blowing the dust. Okay?
Yeah.
So leave that dust on there and just dump it in the trash can. When you finish with a tool, put it away. See what I just did? That way, what'll happen?
It won't fall out.
Well, I know what.
Got there in place.
I know where it is. Because am I going to need that again?
Yeah.
You better believe it. Now, what I'm going to do is that what you just blew, so I got to wipe that up. You know what I'm saying? Try to keep your workspace as clutter-free as possible. And sometimes, man, you have to just take the time and clean your area. Before you work. Okay? See, I'd rather do that than to be blowing stuff all over your equipment and everything. Now I can operate. That wasn't exactly even where I had them at. I'm gonna remark that. I want that even. when you're doing this right here,
Mm-hmm.
make sure this thing is right, it's centered. So it's going smooth. So it's not wobbling, okay?
Yeah.
You don't want it wobbling around. Very good. All right, good to go now. Don't. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Thank you. You still blowing?
No.
You dumping? You dumping or blowing?
Dumping.
Dumping. Oh, that's good. I like dumping.
I think the black cord
What?
came
What's that? Huh?
off. I think that black cord came off.
Yeah, I'm gonna need my black cord.
So grab it.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, the black cord goes here. The white cord goes here. The red cord goes here. That's the red one. That's the red white. It's actually wire. So we're gonna solder all of that. So you want it to go to these posts. See the little connectors here? I'll connect them right around here. This. And I'll use this. Cause I'm gonna solder all of that. So neatness is essential. You want things done neatly. Let's put that through there. Stuff it on here. And I'm gonna solder all of that up against that terminal here. That's the objective. Now we need our solder extractor. Now before I did all this, look what I did. I used zip tie to zip tie all these wires. Look at this.
Mm-hmm.
Using my mirror, my glass. I'm gonna load this, see? Put see, I want that smoke to go right up in there.
Sounds like hot movement.
Do the same thing with the black wire.